Tyler 16-bit here, back again with another video, finally. And this is my 2024 game room tour. So let's just hop right into it. This is my NES poster that I've had for quite a while, ever since I got the NES Classic Edition. And this is my original Xbox poster, and it has a bunch of games on it. I think it's really cool. Kind of shows the history. And scrolling down, this is my 3DO poster, the Panasonic 3DO that came out in the early 90s. Here we have my Hot Wheels from Hot Wheels Unleashed. Very fun game, by the way. Kind of scrolling down now to get my Blockbuster hat, Baja Blast bottle, got Yoshi, and we have my Xbox Series X collection. Soul Hackers 2, definitely a fun game. And I have a Pokemon Scarlet and Violet bag that I got from GameStop that I decided to keep. Yeah, that's the creaking on my floor, sorry. Got Sunset Overdrive koozie there. And got, I believe that's a Pokemon figure there. Got the Vectrix with an Atari Jaguar and my Doomslayer helmet. Got an APF TV Fun system on top of a Odyssey. I believe that's a Magnavox Odyssey 2 or 200 system. It's either 200 or 300. Got the Genesis and Sega CD. Got the first Odyssey, the first home video game console there. Got a ColecoVision. Got the Forza 6 Xbox One. And let's see if we can get in here to the Virtual Boy, Sega Saturn, PS1, Dreamcast, and that's an Intellivision, and a Samsung Nuon. Got the Samba de Amigo Maracas controller and box. Got the Gamester 81 video game autographed by him. Donkey Kong for the ColecoVision as well. And Donkey Kong Amiibo. Got some more Mario toys there from Super Mario the movie, which I do have right there, along with Ready Player One and TMNT Mutant Mayhem, all of which were the 4K versions. And down here we have my NES and SNES collections. Got the Pink Yarn Yoshi Amiibo. Got Fox from Star Fox. Got Toad, Meta Knight, Yoshi. Got a Pepsi Blue bottle there. That's sitting in front of the Fairchild Channel F collection. And got got a few Master System games, along with a few Jaguar games for the Atari Jaguar system. Okay, let's move out here. All right, got the Super Mario Brothers movie Happy Meal box. Got Morgana in front of the DS games. Got some Genesis games down here. Got some in box behind the Sonic Pop figure, and got some loose ones there. There's some sort of Vermilion right there. Got some Super Famicom and some more Super Nintendo games with some more Mario toys and some Wii games, Pokemon VHS, Game Boy Color, and Game Boy Pocket. Got a Genesis right there. Got some more DS and 3DS games, along with the NES Classic and the Genesis Mini there. Got some Wii U games. And let's see what we can. Oh, there's a PS5 box right there on top of a PS4 Pro box that came with Red Dead Redemption 2. Okay, let's see if we can scroll over here. We have the Mountain Dew Purple Thunder from Circle K cup, Blockbuster pop figure. Couldn't think of it for a second. Got The Last of Us Part 1 and Part 2 for PS5. Dragon Quest Heroes Collector's Edition. Got Morgana painting. Got the Retro Fighters Hunter controller for the original Xbox, Switch, and PC. Got some Pokemon cards there. And before I run into it, the Halo Needler, which it says right there, and it's from Nerf, from Hasbro. And you see Halo right there. Got my Samsung CRT TV with the PS2 hooked up into it. Got the GameCube right there too. Really like that clear blue PS2 controller. And as we scroll over here, we have some more PS2 games and some PS3. Got Mountain Dew Pitch Black right there. Got some more Mario and from the Super Mario movie toys, and Kratos from God of War. Got the slime plush there that came with the Dragon Quest Heroes Collector's Edition. Got my Crash Bandicoot pop figure from Toys R Us. That was the last thing I ever bought from there while they were in business. Got a Doom Eternal mini lunchbox. Got my PS5 games set up right there, and a few N-Gage games. Really like having Destruction Derby for the PS1 in a long box. Okay, let's see what else. Got some PS4 games along with a few PSP and some more PS3 games and some more PS4 games there. And that's the Commodore 64 Mini. Okay, let's go all the way over here to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Mutant Mayhem poster. And I almost forgot, up here is my plush shelf with a Raichu, not really a painting, but my one of my longtime friends colored in on graph paper Raichu from the earlier Game Boy games from Pokemon. Got a Chase Elliott NASCAR flag. Got Shenmue 2 or Shenmue 1 and 2 poster over there. Got a Jeff Gordon piece of metal that you can hang on the wall. Got a Jordan Anderson diecast car. Okay, let's see here. Oh, and of course my Super Mario blanket. Got and this is my gaming chair. It's a Techni Sport. Let's see what else we got here. Got a Master Chief helmet with a couple of Game Fuel bottles. Got my black PS5 in between there, on top of my clear Xbox, and got some Sega Saturn games. Got a few Sega CD games, a complete Action Max collection, along with a couple of Jaguar CD games. Got the Super Famicom down there, along with my original Super Nintendo, and got some Intellivision games behind this picture there. And got my Xbox Series X. Absolutely love playing that. And got my Switch games here. Got a little bit more right there. And got my Xbox One games down in there. And this is Abe from the Oddworld games. Got some more Turtles figures right there. Got the Pip-Boy edition from Fallout 4, I believe. Got the Master Chief and Clayton Carmine pop figures from Halo and God of War. That's the Launch Team Edition Xbox, the Halo Xbox, and Mountain Dew Edition Xbox. And this is my first original Xbox on the bottom. And see right here a Surge can on top of a Ice Blue Nintendo 64. That's definitely got 90s written all over it, and Atari Lynx. Got a couple more pop figures there. Got some McDonald's toys there. Got a Pong unit right there. And you can kind of see my original Xbox games back there. I have either about or around 300 original Xbox games. Definitely enjoy collecting for that system. Got some more Pokemon stuff here. Engage, Gizmondo, Neo Geo Pocket Color. Got a Neo Geo AES. Got the Super Mario cereal. Got my Switch case. Down here we have the Pip-Boy and Vault Boy from Fallout pop figure. Got Raichu there and a Jolt can. Got some more Pokemon stuff. Yeah, Pokemon is my favorite series, so there's definitely a lot of that. And Pokemon cereal. Got my Pokemon Scarlet and Violet Switch OLED. Crystal Pepsi. Got Pikachu and Raichu pop figures, along with some toys there, some figurines. Got Sweet Tooth and an ice cream truck from PlayStation, from Twisted Metal. And let's see what else we got here. Got some 360 games, and there's more kind of back in there, as you can see there in the corner. Got Donkey Kong, Mario, some more Pokemon here, which I know it's kind of dusty there on my TV set. This is a TurboGrafx 16 Mini from Konami. Got a Forza Horizon controller. And some 3DO games with my PS3 Slim, Super Nintendo Junior, and a Super Convoy from Korea, and my Halo Reach Xbox 360 with some more 360 games there. So, yeah, we're 15 minutes in, but we're almost done. Got my original Xbox light up store display sign that I bought from Pete Dorr years ago at this point. Got some controller boxes there. And last but not least is my Halo Energy Sword. So, thank you very much for watching and for supporting the channel for all this time. And I will see you all again soon. Thanks.